my friend, this is our QT5-15 fully automatic concrete block production line. The machine is automated with PLC control cabinet and hydraulic station. Today we are testing the most popular normal paver mold. Vibration motor, it works very fast and very smooth. This is the most popular paver mold. It can make 80 pieces one time and around 2,000 pieces one day. It is very effective. This is the most popular paver mold. The size is 200 by 100 by 60. The block quality is very strong and the size is very standard.